Hey baes, I'm back with another video, and this one is a continuation on my last video I made on how I made these jumbo twists. This video is just going to show you some of my easy ways I style this hair without putting too much tension on the hair, because it is a heavier style. This is a lot of hair that's in my head, and I don't want to cause any breakage or damage to my strands. So the first go-to style that I use is this Insta Baddie half up and half down style. All I do is take the front portion of my hair, take a rubber band and wrap it around. This keeps the hair out of my face directly, and it's a really cute style. A place we can live as one and burn out and take it easy. Not a care in the world, just living each moment like it's the last. This second style is very simple. All I do is take the hair in the front of my face on the right side and flip it over to the left. It kind of looks like a tidal wave, but I love this hairstyle. It puts the focus on my good side, so it's just really simple, really easy and fast. This third style, what I do is just take the hair at the top again, tie it off, and then I'm going to begin wrapping this hair around itself. So I just start by splitting it into two and then joining both and wrapping the entire bun over. To secure the little strands at the bottom, I usually just tuck them underneath. But if I'm having a lot of trouble, I will go ahead and take a couple bobby pins and bobby pin it down. But usually tucking them is just enough. So yeah, this is one of my favorite styles. I am feeling myself with this style. I love it. And it's super simple, really easy. This style, again, is another easy style. All you have to do is split your hair in the middle, leaving that middle part. It is very simple, but it's also more sophisticated. For this style, what I do is just take one half of my hair, just the front portion, and take the other half of the front portion of my hair and put it into two ponytails. And I just leave it like that. No, I'm not leaving it like that. I'm gonna wrap one portion of the front of my hair around itself. And just like I did with the top knot bun, I'm just going to secure it underneath it. Then I'm going to wrap the other side of the bun, and again, I'm just going to secure those hairs right underneath it. So I'm just going to tuck those hairs in until I get the clean style that I'm looking for. Boom. Immediately fire. I love this style. I love it. These space buns are super trendy right now, and as you can see, I love playing around with them. They're just super fun. Freedom for the mind. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go back to my go-to style. Like I said, this is my favorite style, hands down. I flip it all to one side. I love these things. Guys, do not forget to accessorize, all right? It gives your hairstyle that little pop. So those gold things I actually got from my local beauty supply. When I put these little gold things in it, I'd be like, bam. That's it, babes. I really love this style. And if you want the link to how to do these twists, I will leave it down below. Please follow and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. All we need is love. All we need is love.